I'm gonna write here and draw the things we like and things we don't like. Okay? Example, I liked a lot to dance. That's my thing. That's me dancing.
Tak netancuje Ivan.
And I don't like is I have pain in my back.
Ivan fakt nemá rád, když ho bolí záda.
You?
Bláznění, like being freaky.
Ah, okay. Yay. Something like that? Who else? Yeah.
Make ice cream.
Oh my god, I love that. You know what? I'm gonna make a huge ice cream for you.
Dělá pro tebe obrovskou zmrzlinu, říkám.
There you go. Can you say ne?
Ne!
You don't like what?
No.
No gnocchi. No pain in the back. Who else?
Já nemám ráda dinosaury.
Dinosaur? Ne. Gnocchi? Ne.
Takže máme spoustu věcí, které máme rádi, máme spoustu věcí, které rádi nemáme a Ivan nám teďka vysvětlí, jak z toho uděláme slogan.
More dancing, less bad faces. Or mad faces. Yeah.
Like more ballet and less football.
Oh, wow, there you go. So we're gonna all draw like I did, but your own things, okay? We can do one side what you like and then the other side what we don't like. Mine's gonna be more dance, less paint in the back. I really want to dance again.
Who's next?
Tu budou to perfektní. Budou to perfektní.
Bude to
And you have to put your names. To krásný. Ta-ta. Got mine. Spanish. Like gracias. Děkuji. Thank you.
Gracias.
Tak, všichni si vezměte svoji ceduli a stoupneme si do kolečka.
And let's make a circle.
Tak, větší kolečko.
Bigger circle, bigger circle.
Je to skvělý, moc se mi to líbí.
There you
Je to
go.
super.
Come here, come here. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3.
Ivan řekne 3, 2, 1. A když řekne 1,
Everybody says what they want to do.
všichni nahlas řeknou, co chtějí dělat.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Jednorožec.
3, 2, 1.
Zmeska.
Smeska. 3, 2, 1.
Les po horách.
3, 2, 1. 3. Amazing. I think we're ready. I think we can go out. And then we have a surprise. We have more of this. So. 3, 2, 1.
Co to je?
3, 2, 1.
Tak jo. A jdeme ven. Jdeme protestovat ven.
Follow me.
Jo?
Put
Takže
your
tak.
sweaters. 3, 2, 1. So, how do we go? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. No more pain in my back. 3, 2, 1. More dancing. Heavy dancing.
Prázdniny na pořád.
Prázdniny. 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 Prázdniny.
Prázdniny.
Prázdniny for the artist. 3, 2, 1.
Víc prázdnin a víc domácího úkolu.
And sleep more.
Víc spát. Nebo
No?
spinkat víc, spát víc,
Spát nic?
no,
Sleep more?
sleep more,
How do you say?
víc spát,
Víc spát!
víc spát,
Víc spát!